Well, g'day there, people. Here we've got a master number 3. Picked it up just the other day. No key for it, as per usual with most of my acquisitions. So I'm going to use one of those very flexible tensors out of the vehicle sunshade flip out things. That's the spring steel out of it. Bloody handy stuff, that, being so small too. So anybody gets any of those vehicle sunshade things, grab them and rip the spring steel out of them. Okay, here we go. Quick rake first, and then we settle into it. But I did this here a little while ago, and I think when you insert the pick, the bitting on the key must be such that you actually set a couple of pins on your way in, and I think I only actually picked one pin and it fell open. And I haven't done that this time, obviously, because it hasn't opened yet. I'm just gradually setting each one here. Going through the ones that are, there it is. I was going to say that I'm going through the ones that are proud, that are sticking up, and just moving each one. Okay, there it is. The little master done. Thanks for watching that. Hooroo.